Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Honda Accord garage opener. First, let's clear any old programming. Find the 3 home link buttons, typically by your rearview mirror. Press and hold the 2 outside buttons for about 10 seconds. The indicator light will flash quickly, letting you know the memory is now clear and ready for new programming. Next, we'll link your home link to your existing garage door remote. Turn your car's ignition to the on position. Hold your garage remote 1 to 3 inches from the home link buttons. Now, press and hold both your chosen home link button and your garage remote's button at the same time. Release them when the home link light changes from a slow blink to a rapid flash. Now, let's sync with your garage door opener unit. Head to your garage door motor and find the Learn or Smart button. Press and release it once. You'll have about 30 seconds to get back to your Honda. Once inside, firmly press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds. Repeat this 2 or 3 times until your garage door begins to move. Finally, it's time to test your new setup. Press the programmed home link button to ensure your garage door opens and closes smoothly. If it doesn't work, simply repeat all the programming steps from the start. Also, make sure your original garage remote has a fresh battery. For any specific issues, check your garage door opener's manual for additional guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.